Hey, hello ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you all are doing very well. I'm in Yido's E46 M3, as you can see. I wanted to clean it, but it's dirty again, which is not very good, very nice. And I'm driving to Mako, and hopefully we can fix my Supra today. After months of waiting for a new differential, I managed to get one through the help of DOS Garage from Germany. So thanks guys. And yeah, I hope that everything fits together perfectly. So, there it is already. So by the way, these are the old parts here. That's the new differential. Let's just hope it works. So those are parts of the old differential. It's basically a puzzle now. Perfect. So by the way, also Mani and Futsi showed up for mental support. Super sauce. So, by the way, it's the next day now. The Supra is running, I hope at least. I'm gonna pick it up now with Elia, and yeah, then we're gonna go up the mountain that ultimately killed the Supra the last time to show the mountain who's the boss and who's winning. I just hope it doesn't break again. So this is Elia, by the way. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. We're back, baby! We're back! Made it to the gas station. First 50 kilometers already completed, and it was alright. We had some minor inconvenience because the car got a little bit too hot and it went into limp mode. But that's fixed now. Yeah, but it's good to be back on the road. So yeah, after I already talked to Mani the first time and he forgot to film, we're gonna do this the second time. Supra is now in the lowest setting possible, so around 600 horsepower, because I want the car to survive a little bit longer today. And yeah, we're gonna have to take it chilled because the water temperature should go over 105 degrees, because then the car will go into limp mode. Yeah, other than that, I'm really happy with the Supra right now. It drives okay. It's good for straight lines, but not for corners. And if we're being completely honest, the car is complete shit for Großglockner. Might be the worst car out of all the cars.
But it looks cool.
It looks amazing, yeah. It might be the worst car out of all my cars for this type of driving, because the suspension is so soft. I need a different suspension setup. Yeah, so let's go and enjoy the view. Not very happy. After driving up nearly the entire mountain in limp mode, I'm letting the car cool down to get at least a little bit of action. I think I've never driven up here so fucking slow like today. So, second try now. Let's see how far we come. It was only like 2 corners, but it was good.
Yeah. Maybe it's the last trip for the Supra on the Großglockner.
I think so, yeah.
It's only for highway pulls and Wörthersee launch controls.
Last Supra mountain ride. Wir hätten ohne Motorhaube fahren sollen.
Wir hätten gar nicht aufgefahren sollen.
Still working. Oh fuck. Yeah, thank you for not killing me. I'm just happy that the Supra is working and that we're driving back home, which means I don't want to jinx it, but which means we made it. We conquered Großglockner with the Supra. Nothing broke today. Please, hopefully nothing breaks on the way home.
Yeah.
We still have 20 minutes to go.
More than 20 minutes, man. Yeah.
The donuts are a bit uncontrolled, but that's because the boost just suddenly kicks in and then you're just the passenger of the car. So yeah, Supra made it back to the garage, which means that ultimately we won this battle. The Supra won and conquered the mountain, came back down. I hope everything's still working, but yeah. It's clean now. The R34 is losing some fluid again because it was standing there at first, and man, I don't even know. This car has to get done properly, but still have to do some stuff next week with it. So we have to wait for that, and then yeah, things can start. Guys, my merch is online now, so I would really appreciate if you would check by, and maybe if you like something, you can buy it and support me so that I can do more dumb stuff like this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Have fun.